Somebody messed up this wall again, so they put the wrong toilet paper holder on the wrong wall. Anyway, now that's why it's very important, and in this case with the vinyl, mark the vinyl, what's top and what's bottom. Okay? See, this is the bottom part, and this is the right sheet. Powerful thing. This is top, and it's the left sheet. So, to do that wall, I'm gonna have to paint it upside down. Why? Because I have no pattern at all. It's just one color. And that's why it's very important when you're painting vinyl or any kind of paper that doesn't have a pattern match, to mark it with a number or letter or whatever you feel like it. Because you never know when you're going to use it. I did this job about a month ago or so. So this is the left color. This is enough to do the batch. Actually, I'm going to use almost the whole sheet. But yes, it's very important to save the rest of the wallpaper. Don't throw it away. I suggest you not throw it away. So you can have the same color, the same shade, the same material, the same everything. So for us to match perfectly the color on your batch project. So anyway, let's do it. Okay, what I did over here is I measure the size of the sheet over there, and I measure where it goes here. Here is 41. I marked it on 39. You can see I marked it not on the sheet but on the door frame. I made my mark on the door frame, so I don't have to. Sometimes it's very hard to remove the pencil mark from the wallpaper. So just let's not to do that today. And it's 39 by 31. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the sheet to 31 because I need the other 2 inches to make my seam. The seam, it goes right here somewhere between this white line and this next big line. So let's do it. I need to strip this part first before do anything else. I can hang my vinyl over this sheet, but I have to do other things if I decide to do that. So I'm just gonna remove the paper, this piece. Well, I have to remove it, hoping that I'm not gonna damage the wall. So let's do it. I already marked it 31. So and then I'm just gonna cut it in a minute. And I use my table as a guide to go straight. See, I'm straight right there, and I'm gonna proceed to cut the sheet. I'm gonna leave the factory edge to the inside corner of the room, of the wall, and the one I'm gonna cut with the blade is going towards the door frame. I already cut the sheet on the top. Let's remove this one. Now every time you remove a sheet from a wall, okay, I'm having a primer. Okay, next step is float the wall. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a thin coat of mud, regular mud, just to cover the imperfections. See? Okay, this is almost ready. Well, it's ready to hang anyway. Okay, let's hang this thing right now. Vamos a ver. See if it's gonna work. Okay, remember factory corner or edge in the paper goes here on the straight corner. It should be between you and I. Corners aren't never straight. Anyway, so let's see. Let's come this way. Something here. Crash. Make my sheet look bumpy. Okay. Probably, you know what? I'm going farther up a little bit. Sounds about right. One more time, we'll straight up this thing. Okay, this way so you guys can see better. Here. So anyway, right here. All right, that looks better. Okay, now let's cut this sheet. Okay, let's go. It's pretty hard to cut. I'll cut with this magic knife. Okay. Okay, this thing is off. blades. Okay, this one was not incorporated very well. Okay. Okay. Now the seam. See better from right there. Now I'm just gonna cut the seam. Okay, let's go. Okay. Pins between the mark I made earlier. Remember to use your seam rubber all the time, just to make the seam disappear a little bit better. All right. Even just a little bit here. Remember to have different kind of seam rollers. See, this is for the corners, and I need this one for this one. Anyway, right. Okay, this is being replaced. Just in case this is not the same, okay? That's not the same. It's part of the paper. Here's a little bit. A little ball over here. Over there. Voila. Nothing happened here. Good. Now let's go to do the next job. See you guys later.